As he lay beside the pool there in Bethesda, he wondered how that he would make it in. Then Jesus came unto him in the courtyard, and the words he spoke made him whole again. It wasn't modern day medicine that healed him, or the waters in Bethesda's pool. It wasn't educated doctors that made him whole again. It was just the touch of the great physician's hand. Bethesda de Tsaile bigaki Tsaile Ayóó'át'éii Ná'áłdziihii Jesus bania Jesus bitch Ayóó'át'éii Azekan holoneki doyenatzida Bethesda tro de asdoda Azein ineda hutai asdoda Ayóó'át'éii Ná'áłdziihii bebedechin Chatzaskebi gagonazi godacha Zeit in donabi dot kaftanin Aro ama ako Jesus yeche adini Nazi goyot lata'at skochia aten Azekan holonegi doyenazida Bethesda tro asdoda Azein ineda hutai asdoda Ayóó'át'éii Ná'áłdziihii bebedechin. It wasn't modern day medicine that healed him, or the waters in Bethesda's pool. It wasn't educated doctors that made him whole again. It was just the touch of the great physician's hand. It was just the touch of the great physician's hand. Amen. Amen.